It is what it is. Yeah, thank you for being here. Welcome to Mora FC. This is the simplest way of sewing origami bag. No, just a simple way. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and comment, share, subscribe. So let's get started. Get your fabric and your lining. So this is the main fabric that we're gonna work on it first. That's the wrong size of it. The length here, this part is 15 inches, and the whole length is 45 inches. I'm gonna cut the same thing with the lining. See how I fold it? I started from the bottom, then I drop this triangle curve. You're gonna start it from the bottom, and this part you're gonna start it from the back, from the top, then you form your triangle. Just a simple way. First starting from the bottom, the other part started from the top. So we're gonna hold this part, then we're gonna shift it, then you're gonna form a bag like this. So this is how it's gonna be. So we're gonna pin this part out. We're gonna sew everything throughout. We're gonna do the same thing at the back. You pin, then go and sew. So this is the lining. Look at it again. That's the lining. We started from the bottom, you form your triangle. Then go to the other side, you started from the top, you form your triangle. Then you hold that part. It's the same measurement. You hold this part, then you take it to the other side, you cross. So you're gonna form something like this. This is the simplest of making origami bag. So we're gonna sew this part. We're gonna leave 2 inches in the middle, but at the back we're gonna sew everything. So let's sew something. It is what it is. So I'm gonna sew a 1/2 inch, working with the lining first. So you're gonna see that I sew this part throughout. So we're gonna turn it over. We sew other part again. But this time you're gonna leave 2 inches in the middle. You can leave 2 inches, you can leave 2.5, you can leave 3 inches, depend how you want to leave the space that you want. Don't leave very small. Like you can see, I did a top stitch, then I left mine. I just shifted, then I did a top stitch, then I continue with the rest. So we're done with the lining. You can see we have already formed the origami bag already. So we take the main fabric, then we're gonna sew through. You can decide to take the main fabric, work with the main fabric before working with the lining, or you work with the lining, or working with it later you work with the main fabric. It's up to you. It is what it is. But don't forget to subscribe, like and share, comment, tell me what you think about this origami bag. So we are sewing that part to join that part together. For this is the main fabric. We are not going to leave no space. You just have to sew throughout. Then we turn it to the other side. We sew that part as well. It is what it is. Yeah, this is Mora FC. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, comment, tell a friend to 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 tell a friend. So you can see that part has already joined. There are 2 ways how you can leave your origami bag. There are 2 ways, so I'm gonna show you the 2 ways. Yeah, I'm putting the facing together, the facing of the main fabric and the facing of the lining together, I'm just taking a measurement to see if I'll get the same measurement, accurate measurement. You see, I'm checking it to see. Oh, I got it. So you can start from the top, or maybe you're gonna start from the middle of it. It's up to where you're gonna start. You can start here, or maybe you start from the middle where the point intersects each other. Where there's a point, you can start from that part. Then you sew around it. You just have to sew around it all. It is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. When you subscribe, it doesn't take you a minute. You just have to click the red button. That's it. And click on the notification bell so anytime I drop a video, you get notified that I drop a video. Then you come and watch what I created. We're still doing stuff. So you can see I'm sewing throughout, going throughout. It is what it is. So you just have to keep on sewing around. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So we just have to flip everything over. There are two ways of leaving the bottom side of it. There are two ways of, you can leave it like this. At the bottom side, I'll teach you. You get along, you understand what I mean. So we flip everything over. Then we're going to top stitch around it. Just go around it, so 1/2 inch. Because I'm going to join the hands together, I don't want to be seen, so I'm just using it to cover on it. This 6 inch by 4 inch. I folded 1/2 inch both sides, so I'm going to sew on the wrong side of it. After that, then I flip it over. I want the hand to be fitted well in the armpit, so I just go by this way. But if you want it like an extra hand, a lot of space there, you just have to get your band, then you join them together. But if you want it to fix well in your armpit, not really tight, you can go by this way. So we just have to put everything throughout, and we just have to pull it to come outside. So we join it together like that. We form V. Go by V square. Like I said, if you want that part to be big, the arm side to be big, you just have to get your band and join them together. Join the other one and join the other one to the other side, then you get more space. So this is how it look like. Have you seen how it has come out to be? You can decide to leave it like this. It's up to you. or you can decide to do something extra so that you get more space in the bag. So we're gonna put all the angles together. You know, we have 4 angles there. The main fabric is 2 and the lining is 2. They just have to measure any amount that you want it to be. Yeah, I did measure 1.5. Like I said, you can decide to do this, you can decide not to do this. It's up to you. I should have done this before joining them together, but I wanted you to know how you want it to be. You can decide to do this, you can decide not to do this. Doing the same thing with the lining. Just have to put the angles out from the space that you left it there. Then you sew straight away. After that, you cut it out. So we are done, you know. So after doing that, like I said, that place is optional. You can decide to do it, you can decide not to do it. If you want the bottom, the space, if you want them, like you want to see more space at the bottom, you just have to do it. But you want it, just leave it alone and close the eye space. It is what it is. So we done. Thank you for watching.